Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys all the lipsticks that are much more suitable for Indian skin tone, and all of these lipsticks, I do have a bit of high-end versions, but I will definitely be sharing the dupes as well. So stay tuned and let's get started. The first lipstick I want to talk to you guys is all about the nudes, and all these colors. The reason I love nudes a lot is because they're versatile. You can wear it when you have a heavy eye, or when you have a very light makeup, or when you have no makeup. You can wear it on an everyday basis as well. But yeah, so I have three different options for this nude, so stay tuned for that. The first one I have is definitely from Maybelline. I think every Indian wardrobe is incomplete without a Maybelline lipstick. This is the new one. This is the Maybelline Liquid Color Sensational. This is in the shade Best Babe. I love this shade. This is what I have on my lips today. I do have a little lip liner and a lip topper as well. But just look at this shade. This is a very pretty, I want to say it, I don't think the camera is picking up, but it is such a beautiful mauvey. It's a rich shade and it looks so beautiful on the lips. It's like an everyday nude, and this is a liquid lipstick, so it dries down a matte. And once it is dry, I don't think you can budge this. I used it for 18 hours as well, but I love this lipstick. It does wear off after a little time, but for about 10 hours it stays on really strong, and I love this color. This is such a pretty nude and an everyday nude, and this is for $349 now, so you can go ahead and check it out. I love, all the links will be in the description box. I love this color so much, and nudes are basically my personal favorite. The next second lipstick I have is from Masaba collection by Nykaa. Now this is in the shade Killing Me Softly. Now it's a bullet lipstick, so it is not it is transfer proof, but it is such a beautiful. Now the only difference between this and the Maybelline one is that it is much more richer. It has a little darker brown tone to it, but it's a pretty beautiful color, and because it's a bullet lipstick, it is a much more moisturizing, and you can keep reapplying it, but I feel like this has a little good staining power. It stays on your lip for a good 4 to 5 hours if you're not eating anything. And the last one I have is again from Maybelline. This is from the Maybelline Nudes collection, and this is the Soho Nude. Now this is completely a different nude. It has much more peachy undertone. Yeah, it has a much more peachy undertone, and it kind of washes me out. But I feel like if you're somebody who's much more fairer to me, you will like this. If you have a lighter skin tone, this will be the perfect nude. I like to apply this lipstick in the center just to give that the halo kind of an ombre effect, so that's why I use this lipstick a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much with the nudes that I have. Let's jump to pinks and berries. I feel like pinks and berries are much underrated on an Indian skin tone. They look beautiful, they look amazing. You just have to find the right shade for you, and you will love these lipsticks. The first one that I have from the berry tone is by Nykaa. Now this is the Nykaa's, I don't remember the collection name, but this is a Sugar Plum Martini. This is a shade. This is such a rich and vibrant purple. It has such deep colors. It looks very deep, it looks very rich, but it's a beautiful plummy, I want to say, it's a beautiful shade. It gives that rich plumminess, and I really love this shade. I don't use it on a daily basis, but when I have my eyes much more muted, I like to go on with a pop of color. That is when I like to choose plums and berries. The next thing that I have is also from Nykaa, but this is a long-lasting one. This is the Nykaa's Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Tint. Now this is in the shade Spencer. This, you guys, is a beautiful, a purpley pink. I'm just gonna swatch it. It's very light, and you can build it up. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks like a much more pinkier purple, but you can build it up really good. This is just one swatch. I'm gonna try swatching again. The more you layer, the more deeper it gets, and you can use this as a lip and cheek tint. So I feel like this is a really good investment. And this lasts like a liquid lipstick itself, so it lasts for a good I want to say 7 to 8 hours without any food eating and all of that. But I love this lip shade so much. It's a beautiful, look at this color, you guys. This is so pretty. This pink is like, It's to die for. The next one I have is again a berry tone. Now this is from Wet n Wild. This is the liquid catsuit. This is in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. I love the shade so much because I'm trying to put it somewhere. I think I'm almost done with it. Yeah. I love this lipstick so much that I've used so much. I'm almost done. But look at this color. This color is, I feel like this is the matte version of the Nykaa lip tint. Now this is super. Wet n Wild lipsticks have no other competitors. I feel they come for such an affordable price. At the same time, they have high quality. The pigmentation is amazing, and these, just look at the shade, and oh my god, this looks so beautiful. And if you're somebody who loves your berry tones, this will work wonderful. And if you're somebody who loves liquid lipsticks like me, you will love this so much, and this won't budge from your mouth, you guys. These look amazing on the lips. The next thing that I have is another affordable one, and this is the LA Colors a matte liquid lip. This is in the color, I want to say Perfection. Yeah, this is in the color Perfection. Now this is a much more muted down. I'm going to try swatching it right here, because this has, it does have a lot of pink to it, but it is, you can wear this on a daily basis as your daily pink. This has rich pigmentation, but it is slightly on the grey tone. I feel like this has a little grey tone on it, and just look at how beautiful this looks. I love wearing this on a daily basis. This is a beautiful color, and I feel like this is, I think I got it for like 300 bucks or something. Again, I will leave all the links to these products in the description box. Please go ahead and check. You will love these colors so much. I love this. The minute it dries up, it is going to stay on your lips for an entire day, and it looks beautiful. This, like, compare the colors, this is much more of a muted lip, so you can wear it on an everyday basis. The next lip color that I have is from Huda Beauty. Now this was in one of my favorites, but this is the Medusa. Now this is a much more gray, I don't have any place to swatch, you guys. Yeah, now this is much more on the grayer side, but this is like that blush tone nude. Just look at how pretty this looks like. This, as well as your LA Colors lip color, both of these you can wear on a daily basis. This turns out to be much more, because it is on a higher pricier side of the scale. I feel like this stays for a really long time than everything else, but it dries up your lips. So if you're somebody who has dry chappy lips, you will want to hydrate your lips, put a good lip balm, and then try using this, because it's a beautiful, just look at how beautiful this looks like. These are supremely pigmented and they are so creamy. None of these colors are patchy. The next lip color that I have is from MAC. Now this is the MAC Flat Out Fabulous. Now this is like your in your face a pink. I don't have place, you guys. This is such a beautiful, pretty color. Like, just look at this. It's such a beautiful, vibrant pink, and if you're somebody who loves your bold pinks, I feel like this is the best shade for you, and this suits mostly every skin tone, I feel. So that is the best lip color you can ever have. The only downside for this is a bullet lipstick, so you will have to keep reapplying it and keep checking for your teeth for the stains, because this kind of stains my teeth a lot. But apart from that, that's a beautiful color. The next thing that I have is from Maybelline. Now this is their Super Stay Matting. This is in the shade Founder. Now this is much more of a berrier tone, but just look at this. I used to wear this every day before the lockdown happened. I used to wear this every single day because I love how beautiful this color is. Just look at that color right here. It's such a pretty color. It looks beautiful. It's super vibrant, and like the Super Stay Matting, they stay for 24 hours. There were days when there was one particular day that I wore this for 24 hours just to check, and this stayed on beautifully. For me at least, I love the lipstick, and this is so beautiful, you guys. This is supremely pigmented, and I don't need to say anything about Maybelline lipsticks. They are amazing, and this suits every skin tone, I feel. The next section of the lipsticks are the reds, and I feel like reds are basically that kind of a color wherein I think we've all experimented with reds a lot in our starting, because we used to take it off from our mom's wardrobe. So I have beautiful options right here, and most of them, I want to say 2 of these are super affordable and you will love these. So the first one that I have is this beautiful, bright, vibrant red that is typically for every wedding season or any festival that you come across. This is the L'Oreal Paris. I think this is the newer version. This is the Rouge Signature. This is in the shade red. I love this shade so much. Like this, I love the tip of it as well. It's so beautiful. It is super easy, and this is so creamy, so buttery. And this is slightly on liquidy side, but you can still build it up if you want to. I love this color so much. And this is the more vibrant red and in your face. Like you have that beautiful red lips. The minute I tell you the red lips, the color that comes into your mind, this is that color. I love this so much. This is how it looks like. The next lipstick that I have is much more on the burgundy side of it, and now this is from Blue Heaven. This is in the shade 07. These lipsticks, you guys, Blue Heaven lipsticks, at least in this I have all the shades, and these are so pigmented. They're so buttery and they look beautiful. This has much, I want to say it looks deeper, and it's a deep burgundy red kind of a color. It does not look red, but it feels red. It falls into the red tones of the colors, and this looks so beautiful, and it dries down like matte, and you can't even feel anything on your lips. There were days when I used to wear this and I used to completely forget that I had lipstick on my lips, and I used to literally eat all the oily food and all of that. This will not budge. It's a beautiful color, and these are so affordable. I think these are for 105 bucks when I bought it. Again, I will leave all the links down below. Please go check it out and you will love these colors. The next color that I have is the beautiful, the typical red every girl should own. Now this is also from Blue Heaven. This is in the shade 03. Now this is much more like a pigmented red, and just look, this is like a single swipe. You can see the difference between the L'Oreal and the Blue Heavens, and look at how deep and dark it is. This is like the perfect red you should have in your wardrobes. This is like that wedding red. I love this color so much, and these are so pigmented, you guys. They're so affordable, and for such affordable price, giving such supreme pigmentation is next level. I love the Blue Heavens lipsticks. They are amazing. The last lipstick I wanted to share is one of the bullet lipsticks, and now this is the MAC La Femme Love Me lipstick. Now this is how it looks like. This is a beautiful, again, a burgundy shade. I'm gonna try swatching it right here, but it's more on the burgundy side of it. It's super rich, it's super pigmented, it looks beautiful. The only downside to these are, I'm not a fan of bullet lipsticks. I love liquid lipsticks because I want to apply it once and not remember them again. But with bullet lipsticks, that is the only con, you have to keep reapplying. But this formulation is super rich, hydrating, and extremely pigmented. It has the hydration as well as pigmentation. I don't know how MAC does it, but it's an amazing lipstick. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button and come join the family and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.